Ospiti internazionali hanno seguito le celebrazioni del Venerdì Santo della Confraternita di San Gerolamo della Misericordia a Licata e partecipato alla Santa Messa, presente per l'occasione anche la soprano inglese Carly Paoli, che ha eseguito brani che hanno incantato i presenti. All'evento anche la diplomatica francese baronessa De Noto e il campione di calcio irlandese David Campbell, amici del tricologo Vincenzo Gambino.
È stato un vero privilegio essermi quest'anno qui a Licata per la settimana sacra di Pasqua. Io ho vissuto questo momento così prezioso insieme a mia madre, miei amici più cari. E soprattutto il più grande privilegio è stato che potevo anche cantare in una chiesa meravigliosa. Ti dico la verità, seguendo la processione tutta la giornata mi sentivo per la prima volta come stavo vivendo la passione di Cristo. È un'emozione così piena. Quindi a mezzanotte cantare in quella chiesa con tutto il paese è stato un'emozione da condividere. Quindi grazie Licata. Stamattina canterò di nuovo, quindi venerdì sera ho cantato Ave Maria, invece questa mattina è la mattina che siamo così gioiosi perché Gesù Cristo si vive. Quindi ho scelto da cantare Amazing Grace, che è una canzone amata internazionale per il messaggio della misericordia, della speranza che posso condividere.
What do you think of Licata, Sicily?
Licata is fantastic. We have been here before, friends of Irene and Enzo, and to be invited back again is special. The last few days have been unbelievable. I'm Irish Catholic, so this is very, we don't quite do it like this back in Ireland, and how everyone gets together and seeing the young and the old looking after each other, and the procession on Good Friday was amazing when they brought Jesus, and it was incredible, absolutely amazing. So we look forward to coming back again, and obviously we've met different characters over the last few days, so we will definitely come back again. And we've been so well treated as well, and you've got some fantastic restaurants, some amazing restaurants, I can say that.
But what do you know of Italian football? What do you think of Italian football?
Funny, I got to know Northern Ireland played Italy last year in Windsor, and I got to know some gentlemen from the Italian FA. And we organised for Carly Paoli to do the national anthems before the game. And so it went so well. Northern Ireland drew with Italy in Belfast, which was the one which cost you qualification for the the World Cup. So that wasn't so good for Italy. That was 0-0. But the Italian FA were so pleased how Carly sang that they invited Carly back to the San Siro, to where England played Italy. And we got invited along as well, which was amazing. And to see Carly singing in front of 80,000 at the San Siro was amazing. I played at the San Siro many years ago for Nottingham Forest, the younger team. We were on a tour in Italy, and I've always wanted to come back to the San Siro, and it was as special as I thought. So the Italian FA treated us very well. Carly sang amazing. Italy got the results. So everyone was very happy.